In this lecture, we're going to show how to create general table in SOLIDWORKS drawing sheet. So let's go here to Notation tab, and here we have tables. Now let's choose here General Table. So here we can define the table template. We're going to skip this. Here also we can go with table position. We can attach to anchor point. We're going to leave this unchecked. Here we have a table size. We can define columns and rows. Let's go with 5 columns and let's go with 5 rows. And here we can define the thickness of our border. Now let's click OK. And this is our table. We can place this table here like this. Let's move it here. And now, for example, if we want to write something here, we can just double click on this cell and we can put here something, for example, 25, like this. We can also go to Excel. We can copy some data here. And you can place those numbers here, for example, like this. Now if we go here we have those 2 arrows. Let's click here. And now here we can add some title. Now we have general table, but we can double click here. And we can change this. For example, test. Let's click here. And this is it. You can also go here to this column, right click. You can go insert a column right, left, or row below. You can also delete table column. You can go to this row. You can also go insert column right, left, row, above, below. You can also choose here merge some cells, sort, and so on. What is the difference between this table and other tables? This table is not related to some drawing view or to some model. So in general table, you can show some informations that are not attached to specific view or to specific model. So this table is not connected to some view or to some model. And this is the simple way how you can create general